Siguro kung meron silang pinapangarap talaga, kailangan nilang magdasal unang-una, tapos you have to really work hard. Kung kailangan may pag-aralan, mag-aral mag-acting, mag-aral kumanta, sumayaw, lahat. Kasama yon yung mga workshop. Kahit ako, dinaanan ko lahat yon. So, makakatulong yun sa inyo. So, yun.
Hi sa lahat ng aspiring artistas. Uh, just be yourselves. Kung magaling kayo, lalabas talaga yan. And ang kagalingan nagagaling naman sa kalooban yan kung open kayo na matuto ng maraming bagong bagay. So, just experience life and whatever you've learned outside of the camera, definitely you can use it on camera. So, just be happy and be yourselves, be open.
Sa lahat ng mga aspiring artists natin dyan, kailangan maging totoo kayo sa sarili. At syempre, pinaka-importante, preparation.
Meron na agad dating, di ba? So, for you to do that, kailangan you have to know yourself, you have to know your strengths, you have to know your weaknesses para pagpasok mo, i-highlight mo yung strengths mo, tapos medyo itago mo yung weaknesses.
Is to work hard, tapos you have to believe in yourself, tapos if you want something, you do anything para mag-excel ka. So, yun, work hard and pray a lot and God will do the rest.
Huwag mapagod mag-eksperimento, tsaka dapat try ng kahit na ano, iba't iba. Pero, hindi dapat mawala yung style mo na sarili mo. Kasi ang importante, makikilala ka ng tao dun sa sariling ginagawa mo. Hindi yung dahil ginaya mo si ganito or si ganito. Dapat gumawa ka ng sarili mong identity, gumawa ka ng sarili mong style. Trademark, kumbaga.
I'll tell you what my father told me, and it's the only piece of advice he gave me when I entered the industry. He basically said, I still have it here, size 2. He wrote it to me. He said, welcome to the ugly yet definitely wonderful world of show business. And all I can say, finally, now we have something to talk about. And then his advice was, love your job, it will love you back. Nothing else matters. Everything else will follow.
Ang advice ko lang sa inyo, just be real, be yourself, and of course, just be happy and love what you do.
Ang mundo ng showbiz hindi madali. So ang advice ko sa mga protege, galingan nyo and make sure na dedicated kayo sa trabaho nyo. At make sure na mahalin nyo ang trabaho nyo. Good luck sa inyong lahat.
Pagpasok nila sa business, dapat hindi sila madaling ma-influence. Kasi sa business kasi na to, lahat nakakahawa, lahat. Kahit slang nakakahawa. So dapat don't change yourself. Stick to who you were when you came in. And don't forget where you came from.
Have a dream and believe in it. You know, a lot of things start from daydreams, from night dreams, sweet dreams, of things na gusto mong maging. Alam mo yon, kailangan nasa utak mo kagad na napakalakas nung pagkagusto mo, napakalakas ng desire na gusto mo maging artista. Alam mo yon, pagkatapos nun, you have to work towards it. Kailangan pinaayos mo yung craft mo ng mabuti. Kailangan habang wala ka pang trabaho, kailangan nag-aaral ka paano umarte, paano kumanta, paano sumayaw. Kailangan mo mabuhay ng mabuti para ma-experience mo lahat ng pwede ma-experience, para pag dumating ang script, iluluwa mo na lang yung acting mo. Kailangan magaling ka makitungo sa tao. Katrabaho mo maraming tao, mula sa cameraman hanggang sa production assistant, sa director, kaya kailangan magaling ka makisama. Pag nalaman mo na ang pangarap mo at pinaghirapan mo na, pinagsikapan mo ang pangarap mo at dumating na itong mga breaks mo, kailangan gamitin mo ito na mabuti. After that, kailangan gamitin mo ang utak mo, gamitin mo lalo ang puso mo. Kasi di tayo nagkakamali dyan. Our instinct has guided us and will always guide us. And above all, pray. Pray that God gives you the right talent, bayaan ka ng sense of hard work para talagang tuloy-tuloy mong pursigihin ang iyong pangarap.
Okay, so ang tip ko sa inyo bago kayo pumasok na show business, huwag niyong kalilimutan kung paano at kung saan kayo nagsimula. Always stay humble at wag ninyong kalilimutan ang inyong values at pinagmulan.
Well, it has a lot to do with praying a lot and having really good intentions, sharing your talent with a lot of people, and a lot of hard work. I guess that would be it. Your whole heart you put into something that you really love, and sometimes when the time is right, you're there at the right place at the right time, then it's for you and it's just destiny.
Alamin niyo yung pinapasok niyo, medyo mahirap mag-artist lalo sa panahon ngayon, bawal magkamali, kailangan perfect ka palagi. Pero masaya naman siya. Try niyo, pero tapusin niyo muna ang pag-aaral niyo, yun yung pinaka-importanting dapat yung gawin. Kasi by the time na gusto niyo na mag-quit, kailangan syempre meron kayong fallback. Diba? Dahil ang pagiging artista, hindi naman forever.
Mag-workshop lagi, diba? Pag may free time, nag-workshop, nag-aaral, nakikinig sa mga nagtuturo, mga coach, acting coach. And number 2, siguro mag-research, like manood ng mga movies. Meron kayong mga tina-idolize ng mga celebrities like locally or abroad. Panoorin nyo, mag-take down notes kayo, gano'n. And lastly, siguro, laging kinakabahan ka, huwag mong i-take as negative. Alam mo yun, pwede mong gamitin as positive. Parang ako, kinakabahan ako, like, madalas. Kahit nung first time kong mag-shoot, until now, may kaba pa rin ako. Pero ngayon doon ako paano gamitin na nagpapaano ng loob.
Just be yourself and try to have fun, and dapat healthy competition.